Welcome to our journey into hidden knowledge, where today we explore a fascinating intersection of history, genetics, and ancient scripture. We delve into the intriguing connection between Genghis Khan and the Mongolian blue spot, a mysterious mark that carries with it a legacy spanning centuries. Genghis Khan, born Temujin around 1162 in the rugged landscapes of Delun Boldog, Mongolia, carved out one of the largest empires in history. His influence extended far beyond his lifetime, impacting cultures and peoples across Europe, Asia, and the Middle East. But did you know that his genetic legacy might still be present in millions today, signified by a unique birthmark known as the Mongolian blue spot? This connection is not just a curiosity of history, but a powerful illustration of genetic inheritance. Our DNA carries stories from our ancestors, encoding traits and characteristics passed down through generations. The Mongolian blue spot is one such genetic marker, often seen in East Asian, Native American, and African populations, hinting at ancient migrations and historical events. In this video, we will explore the historical context of Genghis Khan's life and conquests, delve into the genetic legacy he left behind, and uncover the hidden and forbidden knowledge intertwined with biblical references and ancient scriptures. By understanding these connections, we can gain a deeper appreciation of how our past continues to shape our present. Segment 1. The Mongolian blue spot. The Mongolian blue spot, scientifically known as congenital dermal melanocytosis, is a distinctive birthmark that has captured the curiosity of geneticists and historians alike. This blue or blue-gray patch, typically found on the lower back or buttocks of newborns, holds a deeper significance that transcends its physical appearance. Often seen at birth, this mark tends to fade during early childhood, usually disappearing by age 5. However, in some individuals, it can persist into adulthood. This birthmark is prevalent among certain populations, particularly those of East Asian, Native American, and African descent. Its widespread occurrence in these groups hints at shared ancestry and ancient migration patterns that link distant cultures and peoples. The prevalence of the Mongolian blue spot in such diverse populations suggests a common genetic heritage that spans continents, dating back to times when human populations were more fluid and interconnected. The scientific explanation behind the Mongolian blue spot lies in the behavior of melanocytes, the cells responsible for producing pigment in the skin. During fetal development, these melanocytes migrate from the neural crest to the upper layers of the skin. However, in some cases, they remain in the deeper layers, causing the characteristic bluish discoloration. This delayed migration or disappearance of melanocytes results in the formation of the Mongolian blue spot. The exact reason why melanocytes fail to complete their migration in some individuals remains a subject of ongoing research, but it is believed to be influenced by genetic factors. Understanding the Mongolian blue spot provides a glimpse into our genetic heritage, revealing connections that stretch back through millennia. This seemingly simple birthmark serves as a reminder of the complex tapestry of human history and the invisible threads that bind us to our ancestors. It underscores how our genetic makeup carries the imprints of ancient migrations and interactions, preserving the legacy of our forebears in ways that are both subtle and profound. The Mongolian blue spot, therefore, is not just a physical trait, but a marker of our shared human journey, echoing the movements and minglings of populations over vast stretches of time and space. Segment 2. Historical context of Genghis Khan. To understand the deeper implications of the Mongolian blue spot, we must journey back to the life of Genghis Khan, born as Temujin around 1162 in the harsh and unforgiving terrains of Delun Boldog, Mongolia. Temujin's early life was marked by extreme hardship and struggle. After his father's assassination, his family was abandoned by their tribe, forcing them into a life of poverty and isolation. These formidable challenges forged Temujin's relentless spirit, unyielding ambition, and exceptional leadership skills. His ability to overcome adversity and rally people to his cause set the foundation for his future conquests. In 1206, after years of building alliances and defeating rival tribes, Temujin united the fractious Mongol tribes under his leadership, adopting the title Genghis Khan, which means universal ruler. His vision extended far beyond the steppes of Mongolia. Through unparalleled military strategy, diplomacy, and sheer force, Genghis Khan expanded the Mongol Empire to cover vast stretches of Europe, Asia, and the Middle East. His empire, which became the largest contiguous land empire in history, significantly influenced countless cultures and civilizations. The Mongol conquests reshaped the political, economic, and cultural landscapes of the regions they dominated, fostering trade, communication, and cultural exchange on an unprecedented scale. The Silk Road under Mongol control became a conduit for the exchange of goods, ideas, and technologies, connecting the East and West in ways previously unimaginable. One of the most astonishing aspects of Genghis Khan's legacy is his genetic impact. Genetic studies have revealed that Genghis Khan's Y chromosome lineage has been passed down to an estimated 16 million men today. This remarkable genetic inheritance is a testament to the extensive reach and influence of his empire. The widespread dissemination of his descendants throughout Eurasia suggests a high level of reproductive success among his direct male lineage. The Mongolian blue spot serves as a potential marker of this shared genetic heritage, a visible link connecting modern individuals to one of history's most formidable conquerors. The persistence of this genetic marker underscores the lasting impact of Genghis Khan's lineage on the global population. By exploring the historical context of Genghis Khan's life and the vast expanse of his empire, we gain a deeper understanding of how his legacy persists in the genetic fabric of millions of people across the globe. This connection, etched in our very DNA, bridges the past and present, reminding us of the enduring influence of one of history's greatest figures. Through the lens of genetics, we see the profound and lasting impact of Genghis Khan's life and conquests, providing a tangible link to the distant past and highlighting the intricate ways in which our ancestry shapes our identities today. This exploration not only enhances our appreciation of history, but also underscores the interconnectedness of humanity through the ages. Segment 3: Genetic Legacy and the Spread of the Mongolian Blue Spot. The Mongolian blue spot's prevalence among various populations is intricately tied to the genetic legacy of Genghis Khan. This unique birthmark is far more than just a physical characteristic. It signifies a profound connection to an ancient lineage that has traversed time and geography. The genetic legacy of Genghis Khan is traced through the Y-DNA haplogroup C-M217, a genetic marker passed down exclusively through the male line. Extensive genetic studies have demonstrated that this haplogroup is particularly common among the descendants of Genghis Khan. Remarkably, it is estimated that around 16 million men today, or about 0.5% of the world's male population, carry this Y chromosome lineage, highlighting the extensive reach of his progeny. Research into the spread of Genghis Khan's genetic material reveals a captivating narrative of migration and expansion. As the Mongol Empire grew under his leadership, so did the distribution of his genes. His numerous offspring and their descendants disseminated across vast regions of Eurasia, leaving an indelible genetic imprint. This wide dispersal of his lineage helps explain the presence of the Mongolian blue spot in diverse populations, including East Asian, Native American, and African groups. It is a testament to the extensive and far-reaching influence of the Mongol Empire. Modern genetic studies on current populations provide a clearer and more detailed picture of how Genghis Khan's legacy continues to persist. By analyzing the distribution of the Y-DNA haplogroup C-M217, researchers have been able to map the historical movements of the Mongol Empire and the subsequent spread of these genetic traits. This scientific exploration underscores the enduring influence of Genghis Khan's lineage, with the Mongolian blue spot serving as a visible manifestation of this genetic heritage. It is a marker that connects modern individuals to their ancient ancestors, illustrating the profound and lasting impact of one of history's most formidable figures. Understanding the genetic legacy of Genghis Khan and the spread of the Mongolian blue spot highlights the interconnectedness of human history. It demonstrates how the actions of a single historical figure can create ripples through time, leaving traces in the genetic makeup of people across continents. This interconnectedness, embodied in our very DNA, serves as a powerful reminder of our shared human heritage and the enduring legacy of the past. Segment 4: Hidden knowledge and forbidden facts. Delving into hidden knowledge and forbidden facts reveals fascinating details about the Mongolian blue spot and the expansive reach of Mongolian lineage. This uncovers obscure references, historical records, and the significant role of the Silk Road in spreading genetic traits. Ancient texts and folklore often contain obscure references to the Mongolian blue spot. In various East Asian cultures, the mark is believed to hold spiritual significance. For instance, in some traditions, the blue spot is seen as a sign of spiritual protection, warding off evil spirits and bringing good fortune. It is also considered a reminder of one's origins, connecting individuals to their ancestral roots and the powerful lineage they descend from. Some legends suggest that the blue spot is the mark of a divine touch. In certain folklore, it is believed that the mark is placed by deities or ancestors as a symbol of blessing and a connection to powerful spiritual beings. This idea of a divine connection imbues the Mongolian blue spot with a sense of mysticism and reverence, highlighting its cultural and spiritual importance. Historical records and forbidden texts provide more context on Mongolian lineage. During the height of the Mongol Empire, chroniclers and scholars meticulously documented the extensive influence of Genghis Khan and his descendants. These records, often kept in royal archives or monasteries, detail the prolific spread of his lineage across vast territories. However, due to political and cultural upheavals, many of these records were suppressed or hidden. Dynastic changes, foreign invasions, and internal strife led to the destruction or concealment of important historical documents. Despite this, some texts have survived, revealing that the Mongolian blue spot was often noted as a physical manifestation of Genghis Khan's genetic legacy. Chroniclers describe the birthmark as a distinctive feature of those descended from the Great Khan, symbolizing their noble heritage. The Silk Road, a vast network of trade routes connecting the East and West, played a crucial role in the dissemination of genetic traits and cultural exchange. As caravans traversed these routes, they carried more than just goods. They facilitated the mingling of diverse populations. Traders, soldiers, and settlers traveled along these ancient pathways, bringing with them their customs, languages, and genetic markers. The movement of people along the Silk Road helped spread the Y-DNA haplogroup CM217 associated with Genghis Khan and consequently the Mongolian blue spot. This genetic marker became embedded in the gene pools of various communities along the trade routes, from East Asia to the Middle East and beyond. The intermarriage and interaction among these populations resulted in the widespread presence of the Mongolian blue spot in regions far from Mongolia. The Silk Road's role in genetic trait dissemination is a testament to the interconnectedness of human societies. It showcases how cultural and genetic exchange have shaped our collective history, blending diverse heritages into a rich tapestry of human experience. This intricate web of trade and migration contributed to the genetic diversity we observe today, with the Mongolian blue spot serving as a visible marker of this shared history. By uncovering these little-known details and forbidden facts, we gain a deeper appreciation for the Mongolian blue spot's significance. This birthmark, far from being a simple genetic anomaly, embodies a rich tapestry of history, legend, and human connection that spans continents and centuries. It reminds us of the profound ways in which our ancestors' journeys continue to influence our lives, linking us to a past that is both distant and deeply personal. Segment 6, Modern Implications and Research. In recent years, genetic research has shed new light on the Mongolian blue spot and its implications for our understanding of human ancestry. Scientists have conducted extensive studies to explore the genetic underpinnings of this birthmark and its historical connections. Recent genetic studies have confirmed the prevalence of the Mongolian blue spot among populations with East Asian, Native American, and African ancestry. These studies highlight the birthmark's role as a genetic marker that traces back to ancient migrations and the expansive reach of the Mongol Empire. Researchers have used advanced DNA analysis techniques to map the distribution of the Y-DNA haplogroup CM217, further solidifying the link between Genghis Khan's genetic legacy and the Mongolian blue spot. Modern descendants of Genghis Khan are widely distributed across Eurasia. The genetic legacy of the Mongol Empire is evident in various regions, from Central Asia to Eastern Europe and beyond. This widespread distribution is a testament to the far-reaching influence of Genghis Khan and his descendants, whose genetic markers continue to appear in diverse populations today. Advances in genetic testing and ancestry tracing technology have revolutionized our ability to explore these connections. Companies offering DNA testing services can now provide individuals with detailed insights into their genetic heritage, revealing connections to ancient lineages, including that of Genghis Khan. These technologies use sophisticated algorithms to analyze genetic markers and trace familial ties back through centuries, offering a deeper understanding of one's ancestry. The implications of these advancements are profound. By uncovering the genetic legacy of historical figures like Genghis Khan, we gain a more nuanced understanding of human history and the intricate web of connections that bind us all. The Mongolian blue spot serves as a visible reminder of this legacy, a genetic thread linking modern individuals to their ancient ancestors. As research continues to evolve, we can expect even more insights into the genetic heritage that shapes our identities. The study of the Mongolian blue spot and its connections to Genghis Khan is just one example of how modern science can illuminate the hidden stories encoded in our DNA, offering a fascinating glimpse into the past and its enduring impact on the present. Segment 7. Locations and Significance. Exploring key locations tied to Genghis Khan's life and legacy provides a deeper understanding of the historical and cultural context of the Mongolian blue spot. The Kentai Mountains in northeastern Mongolia hold great significance as the birthplace of Genghis Khan, known then as Temujin. This rugged, remote region shaped his early years, instilling the resilience and leadership qualities that would later enable him to unite the Mongol tribes. The Kentai Mountains are not just a geographical feature, but a symbolic heart of Mongolian heritage, echoing with legends and stories of Genghis Khan's formative years. Karakorum, the ancient capital of the Mongol Empire, stands as a testament to the administrative and cultural achievements of Genghis Khan and his successors. Founded around 1220, Karakorum became a center of political power, trade, and cultural exchange. Its ruins, located in the Orkhon Valley, offer invaluable insights into the empire's reach and influence. The archaeological findings here, including artifacts and inscriptions, reveal the cosmopolitan nature of the city, reflecting the diverse peoples and cultures that interacted within the Mongol Empire. Archaeological discoveries related to the prevalence of the Mongolian blue spot add another layer of significance to these locations. Studies conducted in regions historically associated with the Mongol Empire have uncovered evidence of genetic traits linked to Genghis Khan's lineage. For example, skeletal remains found in and around the Kentai Mountains in Karakorum have been analyzed for genetic markers, revealing a higher occurrence of the Y-DNA haplogroup C-M217. These findings support the historical accounts of Genghis Khan's widespread progeny and provide tangible proof of his genetic legacy. These key locations, the Kentai Mountains and Karakorum, are more than just historical sites. They are touchstones of Mongolian identity and heritage. They anchor the narrative of Genghis Khan's life and empire, offering a physical connection to the past. The prevalence of the Mongolian blue spot in these regions underscores the enduring impact of his genetic legacy, weaving a thread through history that links ancient times to the present. By visiting these sites and studying the archaeological discoveries, we gain a richer appreciation of the historical context in which the Mongolian blue spot emerged. This helps us understand the broader significance of this genetic marker, not just as a physical trait, but as a symbol of the enduring influence of one of history's most formidable figures. Conclusion. In our exploration of the Mongolian blue spot, we have uncovered a fascinating connection between this unique birthmark and the enduring genetic legacy of Genghis Khan. From the rugged landscapes of the Kentai Mountains, where Genghis Khan was born, to the far-reaching expanses of his empire that spanned Europe, Asia, and the Middle East, his influence is etched in history and remarkably in our very DNA. The Mongolian blue spot serves as a visible reminder of this legacy, prevalent among East Asian, Native American, and African populations. Its presence is a testament to the vast reach of the Mongol Empire and the extensive progeny of Genghis Khan, who may have millions of modern descendants identified by the Y-DNA haplogroup C-M217. Biblical references, ancient texts, and the history of human migration further illuminate this genetic journey. The Silk Road facilitated not just trade, but also the mingling of diverse peoples and the dissemination of genetic traits, including the Mongolian blue spot. Hidden knowledge and forbidden facts from historical records reveal the widespread impact of Mongolian lineage. Modern genetic research continues to expand our understanding of this legacy, with advances in DNA testing and ancestry tracing technology providing individuals the opportunity to explore their own genetic heritage. These tools enable us to uncover connections to ancient lineages and appreciate the broader implications of ancestral inheritance. As we conclude, we encourage you to delve into your genetic heritage. The story of the Mongolian blue spot and its link to Genghis Khan is a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness of human history. By exploring your ancestry, you can uncover hidden stories and gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate tapestry of human existence, woven together by the threads of our shared past.